What's up, Pinas? On the way tayo ngayon sa the People's Park in the Sky o tinatawag na People's Park or originally named Palace in the Sky. The park was converted from an unfinished mansion known as the Palace in the Sky, initiated during the Marcos era, to host the state visit of US President Ronald Reagan. Then discontinued when Reagan canceled this visit. The conversion was made in 1986 after Marcos was replaced by Corazon Aquino as president. During the Marcos administration, First Lady Imelda Marcos decided to build a mansion on a government-owned land. We call that Mount Sungay, and also known as Mount Gonzales. This is the highest point in the province of Cavite. The summit had been previously used by the Bureau of Transport as a radar station.
Maaraw. So, nandito na tayo sa pinakatuktok ng People's Park or natawag nilang Palace in the Sky.
Construction on the mansion began in 1981. The height of the summit was originally 2,467 feet. Roads were specially built to enable supplies to reach the summit. And also, yung mga farmers living on the mountainside were asked to be relocated. The summit was leveled counting down in its height to 2,326 feet. Construction of the mansion was expedited when Ronald Reagan announced his intention to visit the Philippines in November of 1983. As reported, the Marcos administration planned to accommodate Reagan at the mansion, and then the construction was halted after the White House canceled the trip, following the disposition of Marcos regime in the People Power Revolution in February of 1986. Critics described the unfinished mansion as a symbol of Marcos administration. Sa dahilan, lahat ng proyekto ng Marcos regime ay hindi na natuloy. Sa dahilan ang bagong administrasyon ng Aquino na ayaw na nilang maalala or paalala pa sa mga Pilipino na ang mga koneksyon na tumutukoy sa pangalan ng mga Marcos. So Kapinas, ang Palace in the Sky ay isang kilalang pasyalan sa Tagaytay City na naging tanyag dahil sa magandang tanawin nito ng Taal Lake at Taal Volcano. Itinayo ito noong panahon ng dating Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos bilang isang panlibangan at pahingahan. Bagamat hindi na ito ganap na ginagamit bilang pangunahing tirahan, ang lugar ay naging sikat na destinasyon para sa mga turista at mga lokal. Ang Palace in the Sky ay may malawak na espasyo, magagandang hardin at iba't ibang pasilidad na nagbibigay ng pagkakataon sa mga bisita na mag-relax at magsaya habang naikinabang sa makamanghang tanawin sa paligid at lamig ng Tagaytay. So tara, punta na tayo dito sa Palace in the Sky.